College pun fibro session pan kane ka longa jing tip namta kitu candidate baro ke belada ban apply namta kane ka DLED course hapo dayat ha ki district ba per kane ka dona sora thalaske nongpo nongstoin tura resibel para bat bakmara te tang ki badai na kitu ki district te kitu ki district te ki don ki badai lum kum ka west jentia bat east jentia nang dai lang haju te kum ka west khasil south west khasil eastern west ter kitu ki dai lang haju hapo nongstoin marba 4 don ha district jongki tegene ke jongka sarkar ke free of cost te entrance test namta kane kan mau entrance test namta kane ada penmi kan notice ba kan dai lai tarik job na Julai te sa penkreb ha te namta ka admit card pede kin sedang ban ai na do arp sau tarik jong u banai Jun an puli kane kan notice this is an information to all those candidates who apply for admission to the 2-year diploma in elementary education DLED program for academic session 26-28 that entrance test will be held on the 3rd July 2026. Light July Arjap Riu, Friday from 10:30 am to 12 am noon for Dayat, Sora Thalaske Nongpo, Nongstoin Tura, Resibel Para, and Bakmara. Then the areas to be covered for test are the Kipun Baha Kibalakali, Tal Ars Nemo, Nama Bangasat upload the question paper te, Mental R lane license name lama Ars name Mokla. Te yiki jingkali umyo shu banra saying bot ba phakpor ba phi tho ek entrance test phap pandap hang tu hi submit hang tu ko jingkali te amla shu ban yo jingkali kini ba thamai la bon mo message ki pan ne jingkali ki ba thamai kini asnem te ngam yo shu nomor ba klem ai shu banra saying te dla de pan pandap hang tu hi submit hang tu hi te bot ba umyo shu yaki question paper tenang no romyo are te ngamla are ban upload shu ik ba thamai te dan dang ti barim te sapik hi gitu barim ni kilong kum tu hi te shu pher mulu malama the areas to be covered for the test are general awareness logical thinking reasoning ability mental ability aptitude towards teaching profession ki bade bech pang ki teaching basically bade bech pang ka teaching ben and scholastic ability test different subject areas mut ba lagi jong ki subject areas different general English but language te nomor ba kadai tang san pho mak te kia mix be ki jingkali ma general knowledge bu ko ngada batai bahag video ki adap bagi don ki baran tang san mark don ba pho mark don ba pra mark don ba lai mark tai mix kan kom ko English te scholastic ability test ki don ki week subject don ka mas khandiat don ka science ko artili jingkali don computer ro don kisnem ki ba mi English pang computer ro lai sateli ki mix ka depend amla ara banong ma logical thinking reasoning ability ki ki reasoning ki one are likely ru aptitude ki one kane teaching profession khambun napo teaching profession ma sapek nagi jingli bare I khambun hi na kane ka teaching profession hi ki jingli te ki wan sang phoma te phapa pule bai tu prepare ba la banwan anu ramla ara banong don dang teng ka general knowledge la banwan jong wol teng wan jong mekhalia marba tamaduna bra jong India mix ma jingli te duna te phap long ready bet te phila banla phila ramla e kata mlar banong te don disnem ba ki sugi jikli don kisnem ba ki te ka change be te tang ba kumba kila thong te kumte hi kan wan te ka max ka share tama te tama kane ko way bong phi ba spang kane ka teaching profession khungtu khambun ma gi jingli kumta hi kham total khambun nang tu ten kisawan sagini gi way general awareness general English ter te tang ba long ya mix lang baro te all the best namta kanek entrance test dan adap entrance test kadon saka adap entrance test kadon saka counseling counseling sepenuhnya yang kilis tangba kin page block wise mo kan no tlik ki block ki don kanek district kin jit kat kom ki block mud ba shu ki reserve saw ngut shi block lane san ngut shi block te lane daduna block ki don ki bhap du shpho ngut du khadar ngut kat kom ka block wise umderi bang ba kat bawan shu shim be lane tang na ko ka block shim lot baro umderi kum tamo kadon la jong block wise be marba kisah lek mentai malusnem bat kadon ru namta ki PWD candidate kadon laka jong seat kadon shin ne arsit namta jong ki la reserve namta darter te namta ka download dia admit card hablek di hapo website jong ka makeeducation.gv.in tangba nadu ka art saw tari ujun terter hadu lai tarik Julai la banyu ban download ya ki admit card ki jong phi te tang kini jim tip kulisbun